Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very well. We will be sharing ideas on how to decorate your balcony, balcony kitchen with small plants with small decoration. Hanging beauty utilize the vertical space in your home by hanging plants from the ceiling or wall mounted hook. Choose training planters like string of pearls, pothos, or spider plants that gracefully sit down. Not only do they can hanging plants add a unique visual element, but they also help create a sense of high-end dimension in your living space of balcony. Window garden transform your window sills into a botanical display by creating a mini garden. Select plants that thrive in bright light such as succulents, aloe vera, herbs. Arrange them in decorative pots or hanging planters to maximize the sunlight and bring natural light into your kitchen or living room. We hope these ideas inspire you to bring the beauty of natural into your home. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more creative home decor tips and ideas. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notifications for getting more attractive, more stunning ideas, more fabulous videos. You look so amazing, perfectly videos. This is so fantastic ideas. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.